A force majeure clause is an interpretation, it is a major force, or commonly known as an act of God clause. It is a clause that appears in the contract which will allow a party to cancel, terminate the contract on the basis that there has been such a major force or act of God that the contract cannot be performed. There is a duty of mitigation. You need to perform the contract as well or as much as you can. The fact that you may be able to rely on the force majeure clause does not mean that you walk away from all liabilities or obligations. You must seek to put the other contracting party in the best position possible to limit their damage by your own actions, which is mitigation. An example of mitigation would be where, for instance, you were to deliver 20 tons of a product to Italy. And the Italian authorities said that during COVID-19, the lockdown, that they would only allow 5 tons of the 20 through. You would not be able to simply say that the contract had been terminated through force majeure. You would still, for instance, need to get that 5 tons of goods through. That would be a mitigation of loss, that you would be limiting the amount of loss that the other contracting party had suffered. The force majeure clause it's better if it sets out specific notification periods or people to whom to notify. However, that's not always the case, and some force majeure clauses are more general. That said, once you know of the force majeure event, you should inform the other side as soon as practical, as soon as is reasonable. You need to inform them so that they again can limit the damage that they are suffering through the event. It's almost another mitigating factor. Depending on the wording of the force majeure clause, you will have the obligation to continue to perform to the best of your ability, so that you are performing as much as you can despite the intervening event. However, if a force majeure clause is much more specific than that and allows you not to perform, then you would not be required to. Gall Solicitors are a leading dispute resolution law firm in Hong Kong. We work closely with clients to help them navigate through legal issues and continuity issues and find solutions that match our clients' business objectives. We have recently launched a webpage to our website dealing with COVID-19 issues, and it is regularly updated.